Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS6 and a Superbike. We'll explore their performance, looking at how quickly they accelerate and their top speeds. Then, we'll consider their practicality for everyday use and the costs associated with owning each. Finally, we'll delve into the driving or riding experience and the safety aspects of both the high-performance car and the motorcycle. When it comes to raw speed, the Audi RS6 is incredibly fast, hitting 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds. However, many superbikes can achieve that same speed in under 3 seconds, with some even reaching it in 2.5 seconds. Both vehicles boast impressive top speeds, often exceeding 180 miles per hour. The Superbike's significantly lower weight gives it a distinct advantage in power-to-weight ratio, making it feel incredibly agile. For daily practicality, the Audi RS6 shines, comfortably seating 5 people and offering around 30 cubic feet of cargo space. Superbikes, by contrast, are typically built for 1 or 2 riders and have very limited storage. While both can be expensive, their initial purchase prices vary greatly. Ownership costs, including insurance and specialized maintenance, are substantial for both high-performance machines. The Audi RS6 offers a refined and secure driving experience, with a stable ride and numerous advanced safety features like automated emergency braking and a 360-degree camera system. A Superbike provides a much more visceral and engaging ride, connecting the rider directly to the road. However, motorcycle safety is highly dependent on rider skill, awareness, and essential protective gear such as a helmet, jacket, and gloves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.